And these Kashi Joi nut bars are my new go-to breakfast or snack because they are 100% non-GMO, gluten-free, but they've got a really nice balance of protein, fiber, and those good-for-you fats from the nuts.
Kashi is getting into the wellness category.
Okay.
So they've got these nut protein bars. So their nut bars have 6 grams of proteins. Their almond energy bars, which are new, have between 9 to 10 grams of protein. So that's going to keep you fuller, longer, hopefully keep you out of that drive-through line.
So I have these Kashi Joi bars. These are my favorite when it comes to travel, road trips, being with my nieces and nephews, whatever I have on the go.
I'm all about healthy snacking. I've got these Kashi Joi bars, and these ones are energy with almond butters and all natural ingredients.
Kashi Joi has been my favorite. It's always in the wellness area of your grocery store, and they're just a single serving bar, and they offer a really good filling on the go move.
Take a look at everything that you can win here. This is all because they're introducing new Kashi Joi nut bars, and you know, they're healthy, they're good for if you just need a quick snack.